Hey guys, Michael here. So I actually recently purchased a WEN generator, and I want to do a two video shot of this. Number one is just the opening of the box and see how it comes and what's inside. And the second video I'm going to do is what made me decide to go with this generator and what products I purchased with it, and just kind of a little bit about what made me decide to get a generator. So anyway, this is a WEN inverter generator. It's model 56235i. It's max wattage of 2,350, and it has a running wattage of 1,900 watts. I believe I paid $442 for this off of Amazon, and this is how the box came to me. It was wrapped in a second box that was just plain Amazon packaging, and then when I open it up, this is what I got inside. So I'm just going to do a unboxing video of this generator to show you what you get in this particular model. All right, let me okay, so again, this is just an unboxing video, so let me get that camera a little bit closer, shooting down to see exactly what you get in this box. Alrighty, so right on top you can see you get a owner's manual, and I've actually started reading that and downloaded a PDF version of that, so I was pretty excited to pick this thing up. And what else do we have on top? Looks like we have a bag of tools. Let me go ahead and open this because I'm going to need to get to it. Alright, we have a 10mm, 8mm combination wrench. We have a Phillips screwdriver that can also be converted to a flathead screwdriver. And then looks like you have a wrench here for the spark plug. Alright, let's see what else we have in here. Oh, there's a funnel to help you do your oil changes. And get this foam out of the way. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Looks like some more wrapping, some more foam. Here, some wedges. I think that's it. I think I'm ready to lift this out of the way, so let's see if I can do that. Okay, that's all that's in there. Remove the box. Spin this around so you can see the pretty side of it. Alright, here it is. So, it's actually pretty light. It's I think it's 42 pounds. I don't remember the exact spec on there, but it was a little bit hard to lift because I'm lifting from above my shoulders there, so that was a little bit harder to lift from way up high. However, carrying it like a suitcase, it will be easy to do, I believe. Looking at the generator, let's see, we have the oil change location here, and that does get out of the way. There's the dipstick. It just pops in place. No tools required right there. It's nice. Looks like we get some kind of drip right here. I guess if oil or any kind of fluid is overflowing, maybe that's what that's for. I'm not sure. I'll have to read the manual. Also on the front, here's the spark plug location. Again, no tools to get to that. And the spark plug, I'm not sure if you can see that exactly down in there below. And that's why this spark plug wrench is so long, because you need to be able to get in there, and of course use your little included bar here to get some leverage and to remove the spark plug. Fuel caps here, pressure relief here, the vent on to let gas flow into the carburetor, turn it off to store it and to move it around. That way you're not splashing gas out of the way. Take a look inside here. So it's dark inside there. You can't really see well, of course, but if you had a flashlight, you could check the fuel level, because this particular model does not have a fuel gauge on it. Let me spin around the back side here. Looks like we have a quick start guide. Let's see if I can take that off here. All right, quick start guide is removed, and there's the pull start. And spin it around, and there's the connections for it in all the settings. So you have the fuel shut off, you have it switched to on, it has the eco mode on and off, it has a choke, plugs, USB, 12-volt adapter, breaker, ground, parallel connectors, and some indicator lights to tell you what's going on if it's overloaded or whatever. Well, that's it. That's my little short video of an unboxing of this WEN 2350 generator, model number 56235i. Again, 2350 max wattage, 1900 running wattage. Does not come with oil. Make sure you pick up some oil whenever you order this. I will include in the link below a link to this particular generator that I purchased. I also include a link to the next video I'm going to make, as basically how I went about deciding to get this generator, what accessories I added to this generator, and all the costs involved, just so you can get an idea. If you want to get the same setup I have, how much is it going to cost you if you went through Amazon, and this is in March of 2021, so who knows when the price is going to change. But thanks for watching, and see you next time.